By the time you hear the next pop, the funk shall be within you.
It's another holiday, so let's celebrate that. Alright guys, guess what today is? Today is the one and only National Camcorder Day. It's also Sweatpants Day, and I have jeans on. Alright, awesome. Now that we got our sweatpants on, today is National Camcorder Day. Alright, you know, like I'm recording right now, it's like National Camcorder Day. Okay, so we're gonna you know, open up. It's gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna have some screenplay on here. All right, let's search up camcorder and see what comes up. Camcorder images. Wow, look at it. Oh wow, I don't have this. So we got all these crazy camcorders. Oh, what is this? This looks familiar. We got a camcorder. These are a very interesting piece of equipment right here. Look at this. Do you see this? Look at that. Look at that. That's so neat. And the screen goes like all the way around. Like, you see this shit? It's amazing. The one problem is that this thing, it doesn't work. So I thought we would do something fun and just beat the shit out of it on National Camcorder Day. Anyways, let's just destroy this thing. Oh, Jesus, that is cold. That just hit my leg and that is cold. And it hit my keyboard. Haha. Fuck. Oh, shit. Did you see that? Oh my god, this is... Oh, that's really cold. Wow. Shit, my screen. I missed. Wow. Oh. Wow. Also, we got our trusty knife here. Use knife things. So this thing is like, ugh. Let's use our trusty knife to. Wow, that is fun, dude. Let's take the battery out before we explode something. What a beautiful, you know. Ooh, look, stand. All right, let's oh, that. Look at this. Now it can shoot. Now this thing can, you know, spin all the way around. Like, oh, we need it over here. Record some stuff. Or we need it here so we can see it. We can look down here. Let's see. Can it go like over here? I don't think it can. So, you know, it's pretty flexible. Does the job. You can actually even have it here. I don't know why you'd want it there. So you can record and look at your screen and like kill. Anyways, so let's try and get this screen off so we can maybe like find some practical uses for it. I'm gonna go ahead and oh, there we go. Wow, there is some wires. Now we have like our own personal TV that we can just watch stuff on. Fun fact of the day, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 screws in this camera. Do you see this? This is the bottom. Well, I don't know what to do with this, so. Skirt. Wow. We brought the lightsaber. Ta-da! Wow, we just obliterated that one. What the fuck? Really? You can do this? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Video out every day. So if you guys want to come back, say hi, I'm always here. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.